How to fix Money Network app not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To fix Money Network app, first of all you have to head towards Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Now search for Money Network app. Currently, this app is not available on Google Play Store in my region, but if you have that application and if there is any updates of Money Network app, select the update button and update it to the latest version. Sometimes the outdated application may cause this kind of not working error on Money Network app. Second step to follow if this step didn't work is simply you need to clear the cache of Money Network app. For that, head towards settings. Now scroll down. Select apps. Now select app management and now tap on the search bar. Type in Money Network. If it is available on your device, you can easily open the app info page of Money Network and then tap storage uses. Tap clear cache and cache will be cleared. Once done, simply restart your device. Hold the power button on your device and then swipe towards restart. And once done, your Money Network app not working will be fixed. That's all. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.